everyone. We are at World of Coffee 2026, and we're looking at the Schaerer Coffee Soul. This is a super automatic machine, 2 bean hoppers. This is built off of the original Schaerer Coffee Art Plus platform, but improved. Most notably, there is a built-in cleaning solution chamber within this machine that automatically runs cleaning up to 300 cycles. That's almost a full year of cleaning already pre-built into the unit. You got the same reliability that you expect from a Schaerer super automatic. You got the same automatic steaming quality and the same espresso quality, but now you also have the addition of larger throws of coffee up to 30 grams. Big change for them. It's almost double their original, and we're really excited for this one to hit the market come summer.